Today we will study about the use of a or an in English. As we all know that English alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, but they are divided into two parts. One is known as consonants and the other is known as vowels. In consonants, the alphabets are B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Whereas in vowels, we have A, E, I, O, and U. Now, the words in English made from consonants are like bed, cat, fish, kite, pen, teacher, watch. With the vowels, the words are apple, eye, ice cream, orange, and umbrella, and many more. We use a for consonants, a bed, a pencil, a teacher, a horse, a kite, a fish. And we use an for vowels, an apple, an orange, an owl, an eye, an umbrella, and ice cream. But there are special cases, the words that are starting with the consonant but when pronounced sounds like starting with the vowel. Now these words sounds like are, honest, honor. Here H is silent. So these words sounds like the word starting with the vowel. So we use an for such words. An are, an honest man, an honor. Special case for vowels. Now say these words: uniform, useful, unicorn. Now here the alphabet U sounds U. Uniform, useful, unicorn. So we use a uniform, a useful thing, a unicorn. Let's do an exercise. Use a or an insect, an eagle, a useless toy, an uncle, a bad boy, an ostrich, a European, an unhappy child, a black bag, an electric train, an angry bird, an accident, an ugly witch, a desk, an engineer, an artist, an actor, a doctor. Now here you can see that we use a for useless toy. This is starting with a vowel U, but we are using a because it sounds like useless toy. A European. Here E is again a vowel, but we are not saying an European because this word sound European, not E-European. Similarly, an unhappy child. U is a vowel and we are using an for that. An ugly witch. Hope you have understood it. We use a or an for singular nouns and for any person or thing. A piece of paper, a door, an orange. Let's use in making sentences. The books are in a cupboard. The cupboard may be any cupboard. A stranger gave me a piece of paper. I have lost a pen. She was eating an orange. I must see a doctor as I have a headache or a fever. People get a lunch break for an hour, not for an hour, for an hour. Although H is consonant, but this word sound like starting with the vowel. So we use an for that. And You have noticed that we are using a or an for a singular noun. We use a or an with the countable nouns: a ticket for film, a belt made of metal, a school, an idea, a taxi, a plate of rice, an interesting story. I want to buy a toothpaste because we can count it. It's one single toothpaste tube. She found a cockroach. Take a pencil and write an essay. They bought a ticket for him. Hope you have understood the whole concept of using a and an from basic to advanced level, and you will be able to solve the exercises that will come in your exams or in your homework. So thank you very much.